yokogendera kurigia chinchera yogokinia homboro wabaki Chikura county NYAMIRA niga baraibe kiama gia JUBILEE kurwase county NYAMIRA bakoragwa no munyakero gubwikia mekyo imensi ya Kenya uyubo igo hokabeiro mujumbe wensemwe bunge West Mugirango Mheshimiwa Vincent Kemosi niko bono korengana no musike Kemosi ainekire buna gwikira bwaniga nigo mboro moke wabantu kurwase county NYAMIRA ba Esokie na KWERIKIA buna baki Chikura sebo igatebire na niko BARAI chikubeka hemeroberio hemeikirano yokoenekia buna risango ria abantu ngo Esokie bare na KWERIKIA buna baki Chikura asensemo yaye Adams Machenwa uyore neganga yokurikiro kyo basenata se county yo nigaburirie kyombekeri getende toba chori ne chibe baiga Kenya kia IEBC koenekia umuroberio yongo ikirano ra senchirengia asogotwara hebintu byokurikia bana inchi ko babaki Chikura hebyo bisaine nenchire mo yoguchia kwango ya umuroberio yobwese
minto ncheta geto wakambia mono rero twa soira iga sense moye riensune na ABARAI banyamira kurwe ensemo ya NYAMIRA amona baria bakubori Chikura gose bagote kubori Chikura se birogo awao erindegere kurakwanira mangana yobori kibwe Chikura bobogenderete nche gonta geto gosaba abantu bamintase more erindegere goiko mwakonde ntubwate gasto wenete okora umwana uito Fredo kengo matiangi nkobori arubugambi bwa iguru gaiga ekero turanyare komochora gose goikera komochora rasima abantu baminto twesokie twerike Chikura asa asobonge buno mugusi erindegere kero tugochikoboria abantu korwe bisa kubiribinde na ribaranyare gotubwatisibuya igo ntagete kuboria abantu baminto asigasi yegenderete yo KWERIKIA Chikura ntagete kuboria abantu bamintase more mwesokie asobonge.
And to the officials of ID registration, please make the system smooth. And maybe I can urge those residents of North Mugirango constituency, whenever you see these officials, because personally I've dispatched a team of 5 people that I facilitate every day for the next 28 days to move in the villages, to register people to take ID cards. Whenever you see them around, please take a step and register. And it's encouraging, like today, we have registered around 116 people. As the new people have been registered to take ID, and the new voters as it stands at 40 something. It's not bad of the start, but we encourage you to take it as your responsibility.
Awao na bantu betu bara chinse mawao ba register. Bali ba ko register na baiya. Na boko ba Nairobi we register ororo bwerike e polling station iri yao iri yanka.
Tamaria taperus ke mtondogo from NYAMIRA County kia Manyoru Ward. Ingo nkorgie kero kia bangina kia NYAMIRA. Nigo tuachaga igase usune una aspirants and our leaders from the headquarters in JUBILEE party toko inikari cha bantu bansi buna bande batebire noto ungete mukono abantu bose pi abangina baitombara abande batabazone ke bande bali nkari ke chichi nkari bali mugondo na bana baitombara millenniums and Gen Zs bataracha isiko ibande bya batiketega ali se ba private batarachikuye aso bammo so kamwesi pi mwere register na photos anto chora BARAI bande bonsi pi bali bakoburia Chikura aso buya egara toko choro murai oyotageta nyito bwaje kura nyito bwaje kebande soka bwere cheste igina kinda te abantu baminto bonsi unanje mama go mama we county women rep eretiyale te ini coming women rep peruske mtondoko.